mayambu amuk taram noksari ngasigi topic ti ishona Karigidamak COVID-19 pithibhi ki mapam khudingmukta sandokpa yahallibase ki maram se karino haibsigi maram da ikhoina ngasi khara lenagani maroina maram ani gi maram da ikhoina lenagani aduna huji nutigi pausing taba matamda maroina China da de phagre Italy da milising tareki matakta sikre Spain da su milising ahungi matak sikre aduna Iran Saudi Arabia sina singbo pithibhi mapamda khudingmukta masigi laina asina sandokta bam khamaitre mising apikpa angangsing mkhoi kya siba mkhoi sing adu uba matamda yamna thamoi kainingani aduga I thamoi du yamna nungsiba haibada phawi aduna chinawsing Karigidamak asiguma asuki matik phatkidraba asuki matik pandemic oiriba laina ase ishona Karigidamak tayungpan malam pithibhi chida sinba yahalibano haibsigi maram ikhona khara aina minasi hana ishoram thingasi Sagamalam Prithibi Busambiriba Nongamba Ipa Isho Tagasare Karigidamak Ipa Sukimatik Tamthirabalina Lasirase Prithibi Mapam Simbatuna Popa Yandana Mika Punchil away Halivano Haiba Asigi Maram de Ipa Lainagatu Was Masigi subject a sukimatic delicate wave subject Adana Ipa Nahana Aiki Kokta Naki Tawa Singbatana Nambi Dana Igi Brand and Nambitana Punama Panahana Pamba to the Nambungambi Naki and Wiki Matan and Nambungambi Tum the Naiva Mushiraba Kanda to the Naiva Shinoki Ada Mangala Separakipa Adugumba Adudagipa Basi Maramase Pazana Kanda Naikoshu Adugumba the Shimana out of a mission at the Human Hobby Hobby Nabi Targetaba Yambiba Kudamutan Hakim upon night before us in the proposition Christa in the Column. Amen. Koina haiba topic asida koina sangjan dingla Karigidamak Ishwarna asigumba tamthigaba laina laisada se pithiba khudingmakta sandokpa yahalibse karigino haibasi koina gi lainadring masigi mamang ahanbada koina shogi lamchadase hana koina khitang ninaba darkar sinawsa 4 John 4 gi 8 ki matung ina Bible na hai God is love ishori nungsibni aduna malam prithibi asida lairiba lengli paliba jibasing upan wapan mitha thwam sa kudimag asigi asida ishona aikhoibu nungsi habse ishona thwai pam jibasing bu marwaina taibung meba aikhoibu asoki mate nungsi punamase maku aikhoibu nungsi bituna mahake saktamna mahak lamchat manana semkhibene habse aikhoini ubungam nunti tholiba thodo wato ke adagi ishona aikhoibu nungsiba Nungsi habse aikhoina khang Jeremiah 31:3 da hai Yeah, I have loved thee with an everlasting love. Aina na khoibu no banaitana nungsi therefore with loving kindness I have drawn thee. Aduna nungsiba minungsi galoina na aina na khoibu aigi thanga konsali na hai. Snapsa adu taragadi Ishona malam prithibi asibu asuki mating nungsiba tang panda leiba mipung khudima asibu asuki mating nungsiba taragadi asigumba tamthi khabalaina asi Karigidamak yahalibano haibasini aduga ikhoina mu yengse Psalm 103 gi 17 da mu hai Psalm 103 gi 17 da ipa jarake Bible legi Psalm 103 gi 17 But the mercy of the Lord is from everlasting to everlasting Ishwargi minungsi thawjandi lomba naidaba ama dagina lomba naidaba ama phawba pibi upon them that fear him maba kiba mising aduda henko isho kiba ishona haiba inba mising aduda maki nungsi maki minungsi maki thawjana sidi lomba naidaba ama dagina lomba naidaba ama phawba haide and his righteousness unto children heaven basida hairibse ishona haiba Mahapukiba an haiba in mission adudi asoki mate ishona nungsibiha taibung mui ba se mahaka saktam manan semni mahaki makot mang sembi bani leng pali ba jibu khudim mati mahaki sendegi haide sembi yem adu taibung mui ba khoi de mahaki makot mang sembi bani ai khoi bu asoki mate nungsi ai khoi bu nungsi bagi dam Prabhu Jisu Krista bu mahaki masan pa bu ताइंपन मालन पृथ्वी से अखोई की दम थाबी रखिब अखोई न पुगदा पाकदम दिखुदे माना क्रॉस पांगतुंदना माना पुबेकी माना सिबेकी अदुगा हाइरिबा सिबीबा असिन थाकपदि इशोना अखोई सुकी मते मुसिया इशोना अखोई बु क्यागे मते मुसि हाबसे अखोइना कैदोंग सुमसि खंगबु ngमरै थाने सुकी मते मुसि साउ सिनाउसा ताइबं मियोइबा अमना सिबा मतमदा इशोना कैदोंग हराउ अदुइ तारगि असिगुंबा सुकी मते मिनुंसि चाउबा इशोरना असिगुंबा तमथिख्रबा लैना आसे पृथ्वी फम खुदिंगदा नादुना मसिना मी क्याइ पुंसिला होलिबसे करिगिदमक्तन सिनाउसा अखोइना मरम अनि नै मसे अहानबा मरम को कोरोना वायरस नाकपगी मरम अनि खलै टू रीजन फॉर COVID-19 हाइजे मसिगी मरम अनि नै अहानबा मरम असे अखोइना मु येंगसे अखोइना Proverb 26 की 2 द हाई The curse causeless shall not come hai maram laitana sap haibase lawe haibani ishor gi sap ngasi prithvi da haidariba COVID-19 na se ishor gi sap makhalamni masi prithvi da haidariba mepang khudem ngata jat khudem ngata masi chalairiba masi nang mathang sandore basigi maram amati laigini haiba maram do karino haibase khoi khangdok pata sinausa khoi na yengse amu Genesis da ikhoi Matthew 24 da haram bagi matung ina 24 gi 30 item 41 adwai da haram bagi matung hai nawai matam do oi bagumna aikhoi gi aroi ba matam da su oi gini hai masida yam tang pazara ke yengsi ko maram thidoksi kari da mo ishona yan bibano asuke mati minungsi haiba ishorna asuke mati tam thikhra balaina ase kari gi da mo yahallibano haibsi gi maram da aikhoi am thidong minase Genesis Mahurun gi Genesis 6 ki 5 ta ipazar ke and goes so that the wickedness of man was great in the earth now why ki matamda heko prithvi da leiba mi singi phatta ba asoke matik chaw asoke matik yam chawra mi hai that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually mi khuding mang khanba mai wakhal je karino phatta ngata kamai tawga fatta ba tawsi kamai tawga si tawsi ke pap ki wakal do ngakta khalami hai masida mana haibani verse 6 that it repented the Lord that he had made man on the earth and it grieved him at his side aduna man hai ishona adugi matan ai taibang miwe bese kari gida maina taibang miwe bese semi bano haibda mana puning da ko ma taibang miwe bese ina samam da bane hena phabne na mana puning hongke adu taibang miwe bana tawriba pap asina ishorgi thamoi do asuki matik sohn ki sinausa ishorgi thamoi shon bese karina pap kaktana ishorgi thamoi shon bane amu yengse verse sigi verse 11 da the earth also was corrupt before God prithvi time pan mi tariba prithvi je ishorgi mamanga asuki matik molam mi hai and the earth was filled with violence hingsa na prithvi je ek thalami and God looked upon the earth and behold it was corrupt ishona malam prithvi yengbo matamda masi asuki matik molami for all flesh had corrupted his way upon the earth mi taibu mi bana mana sadi balambi khudimu je ina amot po erami sinapsa aduna maduna maram oidana nawagi matangda ising isaw aga malam prithvi se phattaba adudi ishona singdokhi aduna ngasi ju karigidamak COVID-19 la ibano haibasi gi maram si lai sinapsa akhoi gi prithvi je suki mati mole nawagi matamda lairama amot padu dagi akhoi ni hele ngasi mi pung khuding mana khalib je pata ba ngakne kamai tabu ga akhoi punsin mai ji kamai tabu phatta ba tawsigi kamai tabu ga si tawsigi haibaduna ni akhoi na tabu pa asina maram oidana prithvi se suki mati mole ne sinapsa yengse amu khoina Isaiah 24 da akhoi se masida mu patana Bible text yam lai adubu matam yam lai tabna ei yam da pazara kana ba khara khatane ene pazara je Isaiah 24 ki 5-6 da pazara ke and the earth also is defiled under the inhabitants thereof matu da khundari ba mising aduna prithvi ase asuki matik molale because maramdi they have transgressed the law prithvi je kamaina molat mano haiba matunda makoina ishogi while jasang ado thugai See, Morobo, Madam Nishna say, you should wait. Yathang ado Tugaire. Change the ordinance. Adumbo, when that Adumokoin Hondokre, broken the everlasting covenant. Lomban had the Ishorga, Ishorna, a quick Sambikiba, Lomban had the whatever the Tugai. I coin a matam cutting the Ishogami, Ogani, I coin a man hibising in Gani, Hibin, Adugi Yatang, Quina. Part to Tona, show Yatang the Tugai. 6 them. Therefore, Maramatuna had the crust devoured the earth. Maramatuna hide but sharp as cynical, but TV as you your sale. Sharp as in the TV your sale. And they that dwell therein are desolate. Madugi Manung the Kundari missing a dubu like Katare. Therefore, the inhabitants of the earth are burned. Few men have. I don't know, pity the label missing a chibu sake. Me Kachikata. Let here. Sinapsa. Bible no kya the make and a pig. Masigi, put no makimoro, Madam Dickerino, a coin a pop. Ishogi wine that to guide Vicky. Masi. Shogi wine that to guide Vicky Masigi. Some could you say, love never is now. Shogi wine that to then come on. Ado. Low in the time found the label mission as in a pop away. I don't know, pop out the bar, pat the bami, can isolate tree. Bible that. Romans 3 there is none that do it good. What can I say like the Dharma can isolate oil a part or in a palm, but you matun the Tori, Matuna Maramoidana, Sap a silla. I couldn't pop the room of the Massico 19 have silla, which now. Massig Hennas Hatiba, Kayamasu Ishona, Torang to them. Mana hide in the mission in them, Torang to the lake, Madumatanga in a topic that Saben blacks have doing Madam Dane, Karani, Nazarkani. Adunga sikidi sinausa post madam di karigino ishona karigidamak time pan as the COVID-19 yahlib se karigino aiba mutun ai khoi pap tawre ai khoi na sukimati pap tawdana prithvi se asukimati molale masideki ko ai khoi mikap thong ngai gidama ishona sigma COVID-19 na se yahlib aduma pu don't forget ishona haiba in missing akoi na Psalm 103 ki 17 da Ishon high in Bamishing, Ishoki Bamishing, I do the Magi Minum shares Lombanai, the Lombanai only. I don't know, COVID-19 outbreak asida, pandemic or about outbreak asida. Ishon high in Yamatangi Tawai. Low. Shumama. Must see the low to the part over, put on the Tawikan but nothing over missing a door. Makoy Punsi, the Logni. Snausa. Now why you matam the Shing John me Mangali to Carino? Manam di Shing is on me Mangan the Batari. Dharma sem Nipan contaminated. Only I rise a soul. Chona Pangzi. Adudi Adushu Shing is all under the Dharma sem Nipan su Pataba Mea Madunium Salamangan. Aduna Tangpan say Pam Piti in a Maram with a Tangpan Pit. Put on say Paki on the Plocky but look. He got over the Kaningai the Mishona outbreak say Yahan Bibini. I've said when call him say Aduga Jeremiah 2:19 the high. Mupazar ke Jeremiah 2:19 da. Karigidamak no have Jeremiah 2:19. 2:19 da sunna hai. Jeremiah 2:19 ay pazar ke. Thine own wickedness shall correct thee. Nang nasagi amot pa pattaba aduna nang sum thoksagani hami. Thy backsliding shall reprove thee. Nangi ko ishodigin ning handuna satpa aduna nangbu warak pigani. No therefore manamadun kangu. See that it is an evil thing and bitter. Masi yamna pattaba amsu akabo pasani. Yamna thamoy kaba. Tukimati pattabani that thou hast forsaken the Lord thy God. Nakoji ishobu na koina thadokpa je. Adi pattaba khwaidigi akaba awaba nangadaba posangni hase. That my fear is not in thee. Aibuki Nango Aibuki Balate, said the Lord of the foresight. Snaps a Karigidamak Ishwarna. A coin at all, but Pataba Papasna, a coije, a coigi Aramba, a coin a shit over the Gishi Laponi has a common Yagidamak Ishwarna, must see Jeremiah 2:19 making Heidi Snaps. Karigidamak Lapono. A coin at all Papa to them. Heidi was seeking upon it. Shona Minum Sigaroin and Masi, outbreak as a young bell. Hinchai I don't know quickly punchlo mangla hinati. Ishona Masina Maramoidana Nikar Sigi but Arabasu, Hadi Basigi Akiwas number Moidana, Mission at the Papa to give Mika Tong Agidama, Ishona COVID-19 as a pity couldn't the Lahali. machine la tana ate means ki am lekre earthquake lekre ai hon pazar ke earthquake chaktang bo jwar haba mai ising ichau mai langpo cha thoi asi gumba asina su ai khoi je makeup thu hai bese yadre mafam khuding da adu pithibi da lai be kong khudem prabhu ji suna la pa nak le masi kam ngai da mai khoi khudem mak se kai do gani have makeup thong ngai da mana la kun mi tadi ai khoi chening hai le madu jo ai na mathangi manam da mu hajar ki masi gi da hajar ro ge adu ni chening ai le asugumba atu dagi ishora khoi kuding mapu kan biningai gi da mo warning when khoi makeup tho pa tawraganu ishora prabhu ji sukhitsa da thajaru mangon changjaro mangon da changja ba china khwai maru ai bani haiba asi gi dama shona haibe pandemic se prithibi mapum khuding tha thon bani khoina 2 Peter 3:19 hai God is not willing that any should perish but that all should come to repentance and ishona time pan da lebe mi pu khuding mo siba pande God want to save everyone ishona mi khuding ma sibu kan bi ba pami adu gi damo ishona haibe pandemic se tholi binis na khoi puni hong ngai damo puni hola ga khoi je kan ngai damo ai khoi khuding ma kan bi ngai gi damo prabhu ji krishna course se bi ni masi gi damo haibe epidemic se ai khoi na pithi ma phong khuding na thoi bi adu ga masi ai khoi gi damo ishoi mi sing gi damo haibe be mi sing gi damo chu para amni masi na maram oiduna ai khoi na ishoi ga pau je pithi ma phong khuding da masi chandok gi chance sam ju pi ri national sando law lakting mamang da aikoina hoji aikoina khudong chaba lobudabdi masini khangdaba isinau singda masigi asumbu sando khogi achopa chan samajuni masi mekong khuding da sando nagi khudong chaba amusu pirimni aikoi sida tumina lai targdi ishona aikoi busuko pa lai masigi damo isinau sa aikoina kawgumsi aduge Ezekiel 18:30-31 da sumna hai ai pajarke sida ishona how much God is willing che 30 da repent Puning ho and turn yourself from all your transgression. Nang na tawri ba pa khuding ma atu dagi puning ho laga namai do lero hai. Namai lero. Why will ye die, O house of Israel? Oji isho khoji Israel da havni te ekhoi da hojikti. Hengo. Bible is for everyone. Kari gi dang na khoi shi gi dang no. Na khoi na tawba pa ba dagi puning ho. Ai khoi na tawba ai nang ai na pato pa ba se dagi puning ho ga isho mon da sanga se. Verse 13 cast away from all your transgression nangna tawriba pa makhai do nangondagi langthokro whereby ye have transgressed nangna tawkhrabdo and make you a new heart and a new spirit thamoi anoba thamoi mapiu ishobu chutta thadaba khoina ko buji prabhu ji sukrishna bu kanbi mapuni haina ano loksan jaraga anoba thamoi piu anoba wakhalo leyo sida hai Why will you die, O house of Israel? Time panda lay is not quick the way she get through. A coin that over pops and said, Tado, a queen of shorter Sunday. No soul will be lost. A quick twine the murmur. To the 32, for I have no pleasure in the death of him that died. Pop Toroga. Sibo, show come the not pop or Sibo, Maduki Kusi do the Harao day heaven, said the Lord of hosts. Wherefore, Marabudu, turn yourself and live ye. Nakoi, Halao, Aduga Hinuan. A Yunushira Bichinausen, Manipuda Kundari Bichinausen. A show come up Prabhu Sukista book and Lima Puni Loksanda Bassing, Christian Oibasing, Oidabasing, Aiki Aroiba, Aiki Nushiraba Apple. I coin a Toribo Patapa, Mamdo. I koi show Samasi. Kari Pa no coming I get them up with Bible passing. Adoitare de equation Shiroi. Hypse, Machina, Moroibo, Maramni, Aduga, Matthew 24:14 having show you about a petit couldn't the Sandokan. A canoe warning was a pity. Revelation 14:6-12. No warning was a pity. Masigi Maranda in Luma, a tandem white, Hijaraki, Masigi de Leroy. A quipuning Homasi, Masigi Dama Ishona, hide about epidemic as say, Masila Hanbani, Habs Masini, a quotation Amaka Pazaraki, and issue of Maram Gidama. First reason Chile. Adan mina siba ishona harau lete snausen ani shuba maram kuning se ina grek control se yariba alan jiwana iba lari aduda mahana asumni mahana idiba se bible gi old testament hairamba dugumba mayam adudigi hairaga mahana irambani ishona inspector of ni madugi page ko aina pa sigi lari se pajar ke page 589 ki paragraph 3 da hai while appearing to the children of man as a great physician who can heal all their maladies. Satan, pretty bit a little bit. Couldn't Anabo couldn't to Pange. haina ko phanba doctor amagumna mahana ul aduna hai ulingayda he will bring disease and disaster mahana laina laichat aduga disaster ko aduguma myam se thongani laina laichat khudong thiba prakiti goiba mausa goiba disaster khenko awan myam thongani until populous cities are reduced to ruin and desolation mi amna takrama mafam singa se masi mang ta halaga ko pura tumna mang di phoba mang na laina thina disaster myam phokani only God is alone. Ishona yabi. Ikona papa haman bagi ishona yabi. Atubu ishona yabi. Yabi budugi matung hey yabi bu matam das heta. Malage hajina masil laida shida. In accidents, he now even now he is at work. Mahna hudi pau makana shuri thabak shuri in accident and calamities by sea and land. Kang phanda thokpa samudra da thokpa khudong thibasing accident sing da ko configuration may chakpasing in fierce tornado tamtiba cyclone sing nolay sing terrific hailstorm aduna len tabasing tamtiba len tabasing in tempest akanba nolay sit floods sing isang cyclones lere tidal waves samudra iching tsunami haitare tsunami and earthquakes your harbor in every place mapang kudimda in 1,000 form listen da haiko Satan is exercising his power Satan mahaki sakti ado sinari hani mahase kaya matik sakti kan gaya bamta next gone iso yang am thangda leba asoda matik pangal kan ba Jesu Christ gi ipa iso yang mathangda leba adugma Christian shona sambe asoda matik pangal Satan ai koi isa gi pangal ma bu mai thiba pi ba ngam ba se oi thokta bani se he sweeps away the ripening harvest aduna phau mulliba khawba yarabal phauching ado pura humdokre hai and famines satang ba distress follow awana badung he imparts to the ear a deadly tan mana nusita ko asuki batin manam nam thiba ama mahana pi thousands perished by pestilence mi lising kyana laina laisana na dum si achi jo khon si khoi gi sinde gi kam thok pa so duna ke do ba atopa madu da yaw drop le sing du gi mapang nusita mo pa mu pang mi sing siri masini ko these visitation are to become more and more frequent and disaster asigumba laina laisa sing jwar haba mai holang ko ising isau tsunami asina singba kudong thiba myam se toina tholakani aduga he tholai khudingi ko he na tam thibu ju hengine he sinausa koina khang mamangi sai 2018 da 2019 da thokiba su akoi gi California gi Amazon gi adigi Australia gi wildfire adigi mata Africa da thokiba locust punama asayim aduga 2019 the thokiba jar you are around 56,000 earthquake thoi hai mapang khuding da thoki aduga yung hoje mu 2020 ki ha harupon tanda coronavirus magi mathang ama mathang thoi koina shona jetta pe haida kibdo plek tara haida kibdo karigino ama haida pam tanda puni hungda aduda ani da so hungda aroiba plek tadi ke doba first bomb ke ha pam tanda Egypt mi chakona hai aduni koi lai ba missing de wana puni hungdi bo shona asigum je shaitan da ahmini ha machine ko destruction will be upon both man and beast sa amasung missing de punsi sukuma ti mang tak ni masidi kya da suma aduna masigumba kudong thiba tholakpa asida ishori mi haiba in the mi am thangsiru koina ishona people warning do low the missing adu khakang sinausin signi masi khangu masi dagine koina yengse revelation 12 ki 12 ta ipajar ke yeng hujik alandri waina haikiba adu ki matangda e yeng pajar ke sida Revelation 12 therefore rejoice ye heavens Sargada labelsing harau hai ye that dwell in them kaigino haidi saitan do sargada ki tan thokre madu ki dam na koi harau hai masi Revelation 12 is the battle between Ishwara Saitan gi lan mathang madu ki sargada horopadana prithvi da sum chakra pa magi sas adu gi maram de ngang mani adu sida hai woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea Malam Prithvi amusung samudra da lairiba na khoi ko khundare ba mising ithaching da khundare ba mising na khoi gi ahwa ba gi masak ni da hai for the devil is come down upon you. Satan do na khoi da kumdar kamai na kumdar pra having great rod. Yahona saura ma kumdar Karigidamak man mai hong sarana because he knew that he had but a short time. Man malam prithvi de hingada matam se yam na ten kre aduna man yam saure saubasina manoda mi kudima ishon sambi kra mi kudima se man na kre haina mahana lakra Satan kuina lairo prithvi se da prabhu ji suna lakpa matam na kre ma ki matam lairo aduna ma matam yam tele aduna ma yam sauba hele aduna haima matam asigi manung mana mi tai ba yoi ba mi makai je norok ta pu na bo ya ba makai je oi na honor ge na uji saudun honor ri he sinapsa First Peter 5:18 ju asumna hai First Peter 5:18 da ai amu pa jara ke First Peter be sober yam pung tam lo be vigilant mission khang because your adversary the devil na khoi gi yang na bas devil Satan asna ko as a roaring lion mapuk lam la ba nung sa magum na walking above wai chat chat li hai seeking whom he may devour karam karam ba mi sing se man jot ka de karam karam ba mi se ma gi nam da pha si ke hai na Satan ko chat chat li hai ka di nga se di Satan lang hai se ko chat chat li je ko na natural disaster sing lai ba adu ko laina tina laina lai chat me am se man mi sing ja pa to lo ma du gi follow na laina li chat me am se la ha la ga mi sing ji gi pun si gi become na han ba se ma gi apam am na da christian of adubu ngasi ekhone ishwar pibi go warning asigi mapana adugumba mission adugi manunda ekhoi yawkumse only two ways ekhoina kangada bulambi che ishwar ngonda natraga saitan gi lambi da saitan ekhoi bu mangan ba natra ishwar ekhoi bu mangan ba sidegi kaningai gi tamo ekhoina ishwar ta sangde ba masidegi hen ba upai amta leite sinawsa aduga ai ngasi aboi bida ai nan khoi haini hauzik thoi ba myam se saitan asigi ma khudong thiba myam tholi ba je karigino haiba matamda aroiba amakalai ikoi kuidana hairagani yam masi kudima ki polse karigino habda Roman Catholic Church na maran siba horu petekda lebu kudima Sunday keepers na maran siba horani Roman Catholic na horani masi climate change lagini climate change karigidam na apuno Sunday seng na ta bagini Sunday has the Bible da nga u haina text ama phaw yawde ishori aseng pathabu numitse 7 day sabani haikram adubu Roman Catholic Church na masi de inda semba je saban mi che chena ngak ta begi masiki leina la khuni oji gengo ikoi ikoi dana aina hapse chumbra nam deng Pro Francis na mu haragni COVID 19 na pichi da le kuti mu che mangal je kari gno masi Sunday che ngak ta begi ni harani America na president na so harani Sunday ngak ta bani Sunday nu che prayer nu mi orsi na harani sinausa aroi bom na tamda kelo ba aroi bom lan disni shogi aroi bom lan di Sunday kurumba hapse aduga masigi maram khudima ishogi ya thangchinga leba 7 day Moroina sabende si ngaliba ya thangtara si bungal missing ase masida makoi target tawani sinapsa masigi infection wat ohlizi maram di karino hojing mi khudimo lok wai tawre loine ille adu aroi ba matam dazu masigi lockdown to asina ko masigi problem je solve to bugum oina khangani phaju phagani adu phari basini makoina haiba inbadagi shi to haibdagi phagani ami aduna aroi ba solution lai na ta lakta bi solution di sande nga phajini haibsina masina makoi ki aroi bo adu bisnausa makoina haibje koi inba taragdi kedoba ekoi punsi kan no aroi ba solution adu da ekoi salase ekoi kamaina siguma khutong thiba matam asidagi koi kamaina kangani India da so 21 days lockdown to kare haiba matam asida koi kari thokani haibse ekoi amata ngai bu upai de masing manam de isamonam sing ekoi amata ngai bu upai de ishor na koi puning ho ishor sing bu bible pa pa sing masida Isaiah 26 da koi yinse masina roi ba text oi jarake Isaiah 26 da Isaiah 26 ki 2021 hai ko come my people ai missing la o enter thou into thy chamber nangi ka singa tu ta chango shut thy doors above thee thong lon salo hai sida shon hai ni ko thong lon salo hide thyself as it were for a little moment matang khare ki damuna khoi lo saro hai bani until the indignation be overpassed asau ba se do the power show you how bani se pa to bi show you how dai dai masi loi di power na khoi ke do ba achik pa ka adu ta sang jara kan khoi thong lon jala tu ni le jara lockdown to khoi je khoi lockdown mani se ka mani de khoi ke do bani ka mani de khoi to mi lai ga khoi patna to ga dam khoi ki only our khoi ki shelter di show ka ni hai 21 da mo behold the Lord cometh out of his place to punish the inhabitant of the earth for their iniquity. Makoina the Patapa Pabadugidama, Ishona God and the pinning I told that lay hand. Tolopachida, Ishona my mission can be in delay. Ain't and the people told Albany, other than a coin of Koyi casting, I do the Sanjaro, Tonglands low, Tonglands like a later or having Ishona people one inch machine. And the art also shall disclose her birth, other than Pitibinasu Magi Asibase, Kumzalaroy, Hang Topiragani, shall no more cover her slang. Magi that's a Kumdambalo head. Now a credit shock it over. Matam credits a tidy of COVID-19. Maramdi Equi Pat or say, I could be warning pinning I could convening I Amatan I be showing solo Sunday Massini. Masigi the Massim Matam credit not though. Matude get when I could when I told you. When I quite can't at home dinner, they jab hypsy. Masigi Moro even Maram Dickin. A coin is short, a quick Sunday from the coin Mapam couldn't get sailors or quite him. A coin him from the only Jesus Christ. Yesu Christ that as a Sansalaga, when a moment of Patlato Jeraga, I could come with the labor Papa Makaze, a quick over, a quick loin a tattoo Jeraga. It's one of the wide Makaido couldn't tolerate in the labor, and the coin was it me as long as another other. I don't know, quick answer Sarkana P was a Shona P. Yatane. Sarkana talked to the Yatane, show you up to me. Mokoin hiding Dr. Chinadible, me Amagamaga stronger than they all have them, seen a quite a step part of me. I do English from on the zoo. Come out our immune system, can't get again. Some by coin I know, I quite a no take it, ten up and no take labor. They love Sanam. Hanko sing. Gunmaru has a coin of Panguni, Haiku, quite a pungy, some properly, Panga Lindsay Pungy, a son of Manamas, Queen and Tea Chariba, Chindan and Masicharaga, Patabazan, put Makatadoga, quite immune system, Kalalaga, Shona has it illega, Sakana has it illega, Queen and Labor Matantai, Queen of Bible Palmatai. Was it 21 lockdowns, Ziggy Matanday, Queen was it, pulled up, Patabakari crying, Duna Labigi Motacoichinausen, Bible Patio. Read Bible. The Queen of Karigma topic, Amagi Maranda. England Tapiro, and the meshes Tapiro, and the Kanging hide of the England Habiro. I know Madu, the Bible study, the ready. Ready lay. Study on mission Habio. A Sigma Kudon Tiba, Kudon Tiba Lakadon is 7 black. I do not Matangi Numbeta, a Matangi topic, the England Jerky. Madu the Sulakan, but they get when I talk again, hide as minor lation. I do it at Shona can be in Snausa. Snausa, I know beautiful warning in a quail of you. Lobby the gun acquainted in Bamatam the go. Ishwana soy can begin. Prabhu Jesu Christ na koi can begin. Masigi asumba say na koi Catholic the level na koi natin na the masigi asumba de show kang the mission da masi koi na sandoka dam. Sandoka ko koi pana koi na kan binay honda si. Shona bipung ko din mo kan biwa pa mi have say kangan si. Masig ti tabi bang mi have da shona bopi boys no ay ro di partner to ulit. Sagadala jay paiso yam thaga sare na ke togani ki Karigidamak COVID-19 pithi wech ta sandopa yahallibano haibsi ki maram mani leina kre an ba maram ne paiso nahan ko khudem ko ko ki phatba pa se ki khangal le ko kan bi pa mi habni ani shi maram na saitana ma ki matam lori atuna mi sing ase bo tonna norok ta chak pa mi ngai ki dam mana mangan ngai ki dam khona ri hai ani ase manung de ye poina ama khatang natana ti pa le ti pa na ko khudem ko kan bi ta bi ko khudem ko bor pina bi Pai show na ke sumba din pung kuding na sandok ta akhir mong kuding na masiga sumba din pung kuding na sandok ng mandi pa ko na hari basin na ba na hari sige mutong din na ko hinja bang man view makatara ko kam sinas na buena view Prabhu Jesu